Hey guys, my name's Alicia and welcome back to Lunata Beauty's channel. Today, me and my beautiful model Beth are going to show you how to use the Lunata Cordless Convertible Curling Iron, which is personally my favorite product. And we're going to show you how to do a really quick 5-minute wave up in your ponytail, and then I'm going to show you different styles that you can do. With that, it's perfect for date night, it's perfect for work, it's perfect for all the things, and it only takes a couple minutes. I'm choosing a low heat setting because I really just want a loose wave. And I'm going to give that guy a minute to heat up. So that guy lasts 45 minutes on a single charge. So while it heats up, I'm going to go ahead and get Beth's hair in a pony on the crown of her head. So I've got my Lunata detangling brush, and I'm just going to get all the hair up as close to the top of her head as I can. So now that the hair is in the ponytail, you're just going to take a few pieces and curl it. Now this guy's convertible, so the clamp comes off. So if you're more comfortable using a wand, you can totally do that. You just slide this up and pop it off. Now the key to this is doing all the curls in different directions so that you can get a really beautiful blown out look. So now that we've gotten through most of the ponytail in 5 minutes, Beth is going to take down her hair and show you just how versatile this style is. So now that Beth has let down her 5-minute pony, she's using the cordless convertible curling iron to kind of touch up some pieces. This is a really great look to do when you don't have a lot of time, but you want to make it look like you totally went in on your hair. Starting with our nice high pony, you're going to pull all of your hair back and tie it up again with any elastic that you have that's comfortable for you and your hair. And then pull some pieces out at the front. Our second look, we are going to take the pony back at the base of our neck and tie it up first. Then, in behind the elastic, we're going to split the section in two, twist it through the top of the opening. Once that's done, we're going to use our cordless convertible curling iron to finesse. We're going to change our clamp iron into the wand by just popping off the clamp and popping it on the heat mat. And we're going to use that to curl some pieces around our face. We're going to grab the Give Me Life Volumizing Dry Shampoo. We're going to add a little texture to the ends by spritzing. And then we're going to use the Hold Me Down Firming Hairspray to smooth out any flyaways. And comb through the ends, and voila, there we have it.